Hi guys, Vibes here. Welcome back to another video, and in this one I will show you new Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. So let's quickly get started. The Galaxy On7 features a loudspeaker and a power button on right side. On left side is a volume rocker and compartment for SIM 1 and second compartment for SIM 2 as well as micro SD card. The bottom of device has a micro USB port and a 3.5 mm headphone jack and a primary microphone. The Samsung Galaxy On7 has a 5.5-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1080p by 1920 pixels with TFT LCD screen with a regular 16:9 aspect ratio display. It has a 2.5D covered edge glass that gives phone as a premium feel. Display, much like most other Samsung smartphone, offers good viewing angles, strong brightness and good color reproduction. The Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime is a 64-bit octa-core Samsung Exynos 7870 SoC with all 8-core clocks at 1.6 GHz. The Exynos 7870 is latest mid-range processor from Samsung, and we will test its performance over upcoming reviews. The smartphone comes in two variants: 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, and 4GB RAM, 64GB storage. The Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime runs Android 7.1.1 Nougat with Samsung Experience 8.5 UI on top. There is no official word on Android 8.0 Oreo updation. The Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime features a 13-megapixel camera on both front and back. Both cameras have f1.9 aperture and face detection autofocus. When it comes with battery, the Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime packs a 3300 mAh battery. In my usage, the battery life on the On7 Prime is pretty good. I was able to get through a day with medium to heavy usage on Galaxy On7 Prime.